Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze, a budget-friendly stay in Ales, France. Welcome to Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the charming city of Ales, France. With its convenient location and affordable rates, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze begins at 2 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and unwind after a day of travel. The friendly and professional staff will be ready to assist you upon your arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. The hotel offers a total of 69 comfortable and well-appointed rooms, each designed to provide a relaxing and restful stay for guests. When it's time to check out, you can take your time and enjoy a leisurely morning, as checkout is not until 11 a.m. This allows you to savor a delicious breakfast at the hotel's dining area or explore the nearby attractions before bidding farewell to this charming city. Please note that Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to inquire with the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional fees that may apply. Experience a comfortable and affordable stay at Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze. Whether you're visiting Ales for business or leisure, this hotel provides the perfect base for exploring the city and its surrounding attractions. Book your stay today and enjoy a memorable and budget-friendly experience in Ales, France. Enjoy a wide range of entertainment facilities in Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze's beautiful garden. Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze is not just a hotel, it is a paradise for entertainment seekers. Step into the hotel's stunning garden, and you will find yourself immersed in a world of fun and relaxation. Whether you are traveling with family, friends, or on a romantic getaway, this hotel offers an array of entertainment facilities to keep everyone entertained. The garden at Premiere Classe Ales, Anduze is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Take a refreshing dip in the sparkling swimming pool, perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. If you prefer to stay dry, challenge your loved ones to a game of mini golf or table tennis. The hotel also features a spacious playground, where children can run, climb, and slide to their heart's content. As the sun sets, gather around the cozy fire pit and enjoy a delightful evening of storytelling and laughter.